Good evening, magandang gabi. Tonight on Learn Tagalog, let's learn how to say for you sa Tagalog. Let's start. For you. Para sa'yo. Para sa'yo. Para sa yo. Para sa'yo. For you. Rosas, para sa'yo. Rosas. That's the Tagalog word for rose. Rosas. Rosas. And of course, you can always say rose, para sa'yo. But, what about you wanna say flowers for you? The Tagalog word for flower is bulaklak. Bulaklak. Lak. Bulaklak. So, you wanna say flowers for you? You can always say the Taglish. Flowers para sa'yo. And let's pretend that these are flowers. So, you wanna say flowers para sa'yo, or you can say mga bulaklak para sa'yo, mga bulaklak, flowers. What about chocolates? Chocolates. Tsokolate. Tsokolate. Ko-la-te. Tsokolate. And I have a mochi here. And let's just pretend that this box of mochi is a box of chocolates. You can say, chocolates para sa'yo. Chocolates for you. So, iyan ang ating mga Tagalog words at phrases para ngayong gabi. So, those are our Tagalog words and phrases for tonight. Good night. Bye.